कोरोना की इस भयंकर महामारी के बीच मोदी सरकार के लिए प्राथमिकता क्या है? देश के लोग या विदेशी लोग? पूछा है आपने।
Sanket, you will be surprised to know that India next month has committed to export 45 million doses to Pakistan. I mean, it's mind-boggling. What is more important? The life of citizens of Pakistan, Kenya, Ghana, or the citizens of India? The government of India needs to answer this. The Prime Minister needs to answer this.
Two things. One, we need vaccine universalization. Today we have absolutely arbitrary eligible criteria, which is essentially leading to vaccine hesitancy as well as wastage of vaccine doses, which was underlined by the Honorable Prime Minister. What we need is to open up vaccine for all, universalize it, vaccine the entire population, and vaccine fast. The second thing that we need apart from vaccine universalization is vaccine nationalism, which means that we must prioritize the health of Indian citizens over and above vaccine diplomacy. The government of India has exported a whopping 650 lakh, that is 65 million doses of precious life-saving drug, that is the vaccine, to more than 84 countries. You have a situation where number of doses administered to Indian citizens is less and the number of doses exported outside India to far-flung countries like Kenya, Uganda, etc. is more. So therefore, if there is vaccine shortage, which was outlined by the Prime Minister in his address, then what is the need to export? Why are we prioritizing vaccine diplomacy and global goodwill for this government and not prioritizing the health of Indian citizens? So we need two things: vaccine nationalism and vaccine universalization. Now, as far as testing, tracking, tracing and isolation is concerned, all this is being done in almost every part of this country, and certainly in Delhi. As far as the testing goes, we are testing more than 1 lakh people every day. 70% of these tests are RT-PCR tests. We are tracking 32 contacts of every person who turns positive. All the benchmarks set by the Prime Minister are being complied in Delhi. But we were given to understand that once vaccine comes, every citizen will be vaccinated. And let me just supplement my argument and finish my argument by saying that we at the government of Delhi have said that if the Prime Minister uplifts this arbitrary eligibility criteria, provides the right number of vaccines for the citizens of Delhi, we will vaccinate every Delhiite. We will ensure that the entire 20 million population of Delhi gets vaccinated in a span of 90 days. In fact, all 33 Delhi government-run hospitals have been opened, and they are open 24/7 as vaccine
I'm sure eventually that may be the plan, but now the government says that vaccine is not something which is meant for everyone. It's a life-saving drug, right? So those who need it will get it first. Having said that, it's very, very clear now. It's very, very clear now that in terms of production capability, we only have so much. We can only produce about 2.3 million a day.
Then why export?
Okay, an important point, Ms. Kumaramangalam.
650 lakh of doses.
Yes, I am going to come back to you. Shama Mohammed is not spoken.
In fact, just one more statistics before you go to Shama.
Yeah.
One more statistics, Sanket, you will be surprised to know that India next month has committed to export 45 million doses to Pakistan. I mean, it's mind-boggling. What is more important? The life of citizens of Pakistan, Kenya, Ghana, or the citizens of India? The government of India needs to answer this. The Prime Minister needs to answer this.